When your niche and market research is sorted, you have to focus on getting suppliers on board. This part can leave most people overwhelmed. Hey guys, welcome to OBSHacks. My name is Adewale Adejumo. I'm a digital growth consultant. Firstly, you need to understand the dropshipping concept. So what is dropshipping, right? Well, dropshipping is a method in which you as a seller do not keep stocking inventory, but instead you work with suppliers who send the products direct to your customers. And your profit comes from the price difference between what you receive from your buyer and the amount paid to your supplier. As an example, imagine selling phones on your store for 1,000 Rand, and a customer from Durban, say Sihle, buys the phone from you, and you contact your supplier in Johannesburg and provide them with the dropshipping details of Sihle, and then you pay 700 Rand to the supplier, although you've received 1,000 Rand from Sihle. Then your profits, your gross margin in that transaction ends up being 300 Rand, which is 1,000 Rand. 700 Rand. Today's video on how to start a dropshipping business in South Africa is brought to you by Dropstore. Dropstore is a dropshipping automation platform that lets you find products that you would like to dropship, add them to your online store, and ship them directly to your customers easily. And you don't even need to have inventory. Hence you operate with little risk, and you can sell from the best dropshipping suppliers from all over South Africa. So how do you start a dropshipping business? Well, it depends on a number of things, such as your niche market and the type of products that you intend to dropship. And it is important to bear in mind that dropshipping will not work with any product though. So product and market research is vital. And I will come back to the niche market issue shortly. A dropshipper can be a retailer, a wholesaler, or even a manufacturer. And in some rare cases, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to assume that you right now are a retailer, an e-commerce store owner. So let's go back to the niche market. I mentioned the niche market and I didn't mention why this is important in dropshipping. The reason is because there are plenty of online shops which sell almost anything you can think of. However, most of these stores sell specialized niche products, so when you pick a niche, it will help you to target the right customers to come to your store. And this is highly crucial as it can make or break your dropshipping business. When your niche and market research is sorted, you have to focus on getting suppliers on board. This part can leave most people overwhelmed, but don't stress though. If your reach is strictly South Africa, then you should work with local suppliers because of the shipping speed with apps such as Dropstore. If your goal is global, then you might want to contact and team up with overseas suppliers, and you can easily do this with apps such as Adewale Adejumo and many more out there. If you're going to operate your dropshipping business within the South African markets, then I would suggest that you contact local suppliers and open trading accounts. Then you're good to go. However, please note that some suppliers in South Africa might not understand dropshipping until you explain the concept, but most would be willing to help you. Some suppliers have policies such as spending X amount per month in order to keep your account active, and some will require you to purchase in bulk beforehand or impose minimum order quantities or amount in order to supply any goods. But it all depends on the supplier and the type of products that you will be selling. If you feel like you want a bigger slice of the pie, selling to the global market will be ideal. However, competition is fierce because most dropshippers are selling identical products, and in order to simplify the process of working and choosing suppliers, apps like Adewale or Dropstore will provide the necessary infrastructure and tools to do so. Thanks guys for listening. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, leave a comment that says Dropshipping South Africa in the comments below. And feel free to ask any questions. We do reply. Bye guys. So if you haven't already subscribed to OBSHacks, do that now. Subscribe below and remember to turn on the notification setting by ringing the notification button so that you'll be notified each time we release a new hack. Thank you.